I'm going to turn this one on medium because it has a high-speed wobble. This is part 2, by the way. Good fan for a Walmart fan. Walmart fans aren't half bad. I'm not able to turn on the Calero right now because there's a plug. It's not plugged in. And yes, this fan is permanent, unlike that Littleton. No plug on this fan either. We're still getting our pool ready for the summer, so we don't have these plugged in yet. I don't plan on replacing this one either. I'm not gonna even bother to turn on this fan. Yikes. But we never use it anymore anyway. It's just hanging out here drooping, so I'm not gonna even bother to get an extension cord into the barn and plug it in. It's just a pain. We never use it anyway, so my apologies for the inconvenience. I don't plan on taking that fan down. Out here in the carport. Here's the 2 Littletons. These are good fans. That's the Globe. Yeah, that's the Globe. They just wobble because This one has a bird's nest in it. Yikes. I'm gonna check that one out later. Can you see the nest in there? I don't know. Too bad we can't use it. This fan works really well. Well, dang it. I don't want to hurt any more birds. What does this chain do? Okay, there's the light for you. I'm too kind-hearted to turn that thing on. You won't be able to see me turn that one over there on. Sorry about that, but I'll run over there. Ugh. Oh, good, it's not on. This is the Stratford, too. Sorry, just getting through the barn. This one blows a lot of air. Stratford 2s are beautiful fans. I wish I had more than 2. The other one has the original motor housing, but it's a 44-inch, and I like the 52-inch ones better. Let's try to turn this one on. This is my bike from when I was little. This is the cord to that fan. And I'm standing on the counter here. My bike is holding this cord while suspended in the air. I'm just going to gently pull on the cord, see what happens. Got it. The bike came loose. Oh no! There's a freaking spider on it. How am I supposed to do this? It seems like it's suspended again. I'm gonna just back away. There's wasps in here too. I'm afraid I'm gonna stir them up. Got it. I know the blades sag when I first turn it on, but they start up, or they fold out, and we never run it on the lower speeds anyway. It still blows air, and it's not really annoying to me. I can feel a cool air on me, so I guess that'll work. I just won't turn it on any high speeds anymore. That's fine for me. You people are probably gonna hate me, but I ended up turning it on. The birds aren't in it right now, though. Oh, I'm gonna take those chains off. I do not plan to replace any of these fans.